What if you could build a website that feels alive? A site that doesn't just show content, but actually interacts with your users? Today, we're going to do exactly that. We'll build this stunning, fully responsive landing page from the ground up, complete with this mesmerizing 3D particle background that follows your mouse. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's lay down our foundation with clean, semantic HTML. We'll structure all our main sections. The header, the hero section with that cool 2-column layout, our services showcase, the testimonials block, and a professional footer. A solid structure is key to making the rest of the process easy. Now, let's bring this to life with CSS. I'll show you how to use CSS variables to manage our color palette, making it super easy to theme the site. We'll use Flexbox and Grid to create our complex, responsive layouts, ensuring everything looks perfect on desktop, tablets, and mobile phones. We'll also style our cards, buttons, and that cool spinning badge. This is where the real magic happens. We're diving into Three.js to create our animated background. I'll walk you through setting up the scene, the camera, and the renderer. Then, we'll create thousands of tiny particles and position them in 3D space. Finally, we'll write the animation loop that makes the particles gently float and react to the user's mouse movements. It's easier than you think and the result is incredible. A modern website needs to be interactive. We'll write the JavaScript to make our mobile navigation functional, with a smooth slide in effect. Then, we'll build the logic for our testimonial slider. To add that final layer of polish, we'll integrate the Animate on Scroll AOS library. With just a few simple data attributes in our HTML, we can create these beautiful, professional fade-in animations as the user scrolls down the page. And there you have it. A complete, modern, and interactive landing page that's guaranteed to impress. We've combined solid HTML and CSS with the power of Three.js and scroll animations to create a truly professional user experience. The full, commented source code is linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to build next. Happy coding!